you. Even if our feet grow old, will your sneakers still keep my ballet flats company on the sidewalk? Love, Blank.
Thank you, writers. Thank you, readers. All these notes are strung around the cafe, so please feel free to walk, take your time, peruse. Right now, I'm going to invite all of you to take part in writing your own notes. There are Post-its back there. I will direct them to you where it is in that hat. And there are also pens if you don't have pens. You may choose to respond to a note if you feel like the note is speaking to you, if you feel like you connect with the story and you can just paste it on the note. You can also write your own. And that's completely up to you. If you write in English, please make sure that you write Dear You, end it with Love, Blank. If you're writing in Nepali, please start with Priye, ending it with Umitimro. There are some guidelines that my 14-year-olds in New York City made that I just wanted to read out because they're kind of cute and fun.